To add Amazon Pay to Shopify, start by going to the Shopify App Store and searching for Amazon Pay. Click the Amazon Pay app and then click the Add App button. You will be redirected to a page where you need to agree to the terms of service and click the Install App button. Next, you will be asked to log into your Amazon account or create a new one if you don't have one. After logging in, you will be redirected back to Shopify where you need to configure the Amazon Pay settings. In the Settings page, you need to select the payment method you want to use, either Amazon Pay or log in with Amazon. To complete the setup, you need to set up the Amazon Pay button on your store. Go to the Amazon Pay app settings and click the Button Setup tab. Here you can customize the button text, color and placement on your store. You can choose to display the button on the product page, cart page or both. After setting up the button, you need to test the payment method to make sure it is working correctly. Go to your store and add a product to the cart, then proceed to checkout and select Amazon Pay as the payment method. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to complete the payment successfully. It is also important to note that Amazon Pay has certain requirements that your store needs to meet in order to be approved. These requirements include having a secure checkout, clear refund and return policies, and complying with Amazon's terms of service. Make sure to review these requirements before applying for Amazon Pay. By following these steps, you can easily add Amazon Pay to your Shopify store and provide your customers with a secure and convenient payment method. This can help increase customer trust and loyalty, and ultimately drive more sales for your business.